How to remove files and folders from favorites in My Files on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Samsung folder, then tap on My Files. In My Files, we go down, and in the favorites section, simply touch and hold on one of the items. Next, you will go into a selection mode. In here, select the files and folders that you want to remove from favorites. So here, I'm going to select these two files and these folders, and then tap on the star icon at the top, and that will remove the selected files and folders from favorite. Now tap on the back key, and you can see now in your favorites, it only displays your favorite files and folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.